The Colorado 1650 maximizes the UV gel advantage with high production speeds, certified flexible inks, and flex finish. It has been designed for print service providers for whom no is not an option, enabling them to produce an astonishing range of applications at high speeds. From economically produced posters to high-value applications such as wallpaper, soft signage, and backlit graphics that will wow your customers. The Colorado 1650 creates jaw-dropping images with a wide color gamut, even double-sided if needed. The ingenious Flex Finish offers a choice between a gloss or matte finish without the need to change inks or the media. This allows professional large-format graphics PSPs to extend their application range to a whole new level. The gloss finish boosts banners and posters, making them stand out, whereas the luxurious velvety matte finish is perfect for interior applications such as wallpaper. Flex Finish also enables the production of razor-sharp images on a wide range of media, including uncoated plain paper. The flexible, certified UV gel inks allow for a broad media range, including self-adhesive vinyls and polyester textiles. The increased flexibility ensures you can bend, stretch, and fold the prints without problem. With the Colorado 1650, you invest in an outstanding application performance, industrial-level production capacity, and running costs that will boost your business profitability.